We've created a simple fidget with a single gear and a dual fidget with 2 gears and chamfered edges. The challenge now is to create a 3-gear fidget. This should be relatively easy using the techniques we've already seen, but can you create a 3-gear fidget with a right angle shape? Or how about a 3-gear fidget with an obtuse angle shape? Or a 3-gear fidget with a semicircular shape? How about creating fidgets with even more gears, like this circular 4-gear fidget, this square 4-gear fidget, the serpentine 5-gear fidget, a cross-shaped 5-gear fidget, a rectangular 6-gear fidget, an H-shaped 7-gear fidget, a circular 8-gear fidget, a double cross 9-gear fidget, a single cross 9-gear fidget, a hollow rectangle 10-gear fidget, a long rectangle 10-gear fidget, or other fidgets with even more gears or different shapes.